Welcome back to Accounting Basics. Hey, small business owners, want to stop overpaying on taxes? Because if you're not claiming the right write-offs, you're literally giving the IRS free money. In this video, I'm going to break down the 10 biggest tax write-off that can save your business thousands each year, and I'm going to explain the accounting basics behind them in plain English. Number 1, home office deduction. If you run your business from home, you can deduct part of your home expenses, your rent, mortgage, interest, utilities, internet. Accounting tip. Use the simplified method, $5 per square foot up to 300 square foot, or go for the actual expense method. Just make sure to calculate the business use percentage. Example, if your home office is 10% of your home, then 10% of your rent, utilities, and insurance can be deducted. 2. Business meals. You can deduct 50% of meals with clients, partners, or while traveling for business, and sometimes 100% if it's from a restaurant during eligible periods. Accounting tip. Always note the purpose of the meal and who you were with on the receipt or in your expense app. For example, you took a client out to lunch to discuss a contract, half of that bill is deductible. 3. Business travel expenses. Flights, hotels, car rentals, even baggage fees. They're all deductible if it's for business purposes. Follow-up tip. Keep separate records for personal versus business travel. If it's mixed, only the business portion counts. For example, if you travel to a conference for 3 days and stay 2 more for vacation, only those 3 days are deductible. Number 4, vehicle use. Use your car for business? You can deduct mileage or actual expenses like gas and maintenance. Tip. Track your mileage with apps like MileIQ or QuickBooks. In 2025, the IRS standard mileage rate is 70 cents per mile. For example, you drove 1,000 miles for a business trip last quarter? Multiply by the IRS rate and write it off. Number 5, office supplies and software. Pens, printers, paper, software like QuickBooks, Zoom subscriptions, all 100% deductible. Accounting tip. Categorize these under office expenses in your accounting software. For example, a $30 a month subscription for Canva Pro? That's a business expense. 6. Marketing and advertising. Website costs, Facebook ads, business cards, SEO services, all deductible. Accounting tip. Keep a separate budget line for marketing to simplify year-end tax prep. For example, let's say you ran $1,200 in Google Ads last year. Full deduction. Number 7, professional services. CPAs, lawyers, consultants, coaches. Their fees are tax deductible. Accounting tip. These go under professional fees in your chart of accounts. Example, if you paid an accountant $500 to help you with your tax filing, that's fully deductible. Number 8, salaries and contractor payments. Wages paid to employees and payments to 1099 contractors are fully deductible. Accounting tip. Use payroll software and always issue W-2s and 1099 NECs correctly. For example, let's say you paid your VA $8,000 this year. That's a deductible business expense. Number 9, business insurance. Things like liability insurance, E&O coverage, commercial auto insurance, all deductible. Accounting tip: track premium payments annually or monthly. For example, you paid $900 for general liability insurance? Write it off. Number 10. Depreciation of equipment. Big purchases like computers, furniture, or machinery? You might not deduct them all at once, you depreciate them over time. Accounting tip: use IRS guidelines like MACRS or MACRS or Section 179 to deduct more upfront. Example, let's say you bought a $2,000 laptop for business. You may deduct the full amount in year 1 under Section 179. Bonus tip: do you want to stay audit-proof? Keep digital copies of all receipts, log every expense, and reconcile monthly. Accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or Wave makes this 10 times easier. All right, now that you know what to write off, don't leave that money on the table. These deductions can save you thousands of dollars if you track them right. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more small business tips, and let me know in the comments which write-off do you use the most. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.